Hey everyone, welcome back to Fast and Fun English.
Hi, friends. It's so good to see you again.
Today we're talking about something boring.
Wait, boring? Really?
Yes, but trust me, it's not as boring as it sounds.
Okay. I'm listening.
The topic is the power of doing one boring thing every day.
Oh, that's perfect for me. I'm great at boring things.
Let's start with this. What do we mean by boring?
Something you do again and again with no excitement.
Like brushing your teeth.
Or folding laundry.
Or waking up early every morning.
Yeah, that one hurts.
But here's the secret. Boring doesn't mean useless.
Yes, sometimes boring things are the most powerful things.
You know, people today love new things.
Of course. New apps, new challenges, new goals every week.
We want fast results, fast progress, fast everything.
But the truth is, real change is slow. It grows quietly, like plants. You don't see the roots, but they're working every day. I remember when I tried to learn guitar.
Oh, really? How did it go?
Not great at first. The first month was pain.
Pain?
Yeah, my fingers hurt, the sound was awful. Every song sounded like a crying cat.
Oh, no.
But I decided to practice just 15 minutes a day.
Every single day?
Yes, even when it was boring, even when it felt useless.
And then?
After a few months, I suddenly realized I could play.
That's the magic of boring things. We think growth is exciting, but it's not.
It's repetitive. It's routine.
Like brushing your English skills every day.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't feel smarter after one lesson
But after 100 boring lessons, you surprise yourself.
because small progress hides inside boring habits.
You know what's funny? Our brain doesn't like boring things,
Of course, it loves excitement and rewards.
but the brain also learns best from repetition.
So the brain hates what helps it most.
Exactly. It's like a child who hates vegetables but needs them.
That's such a good example.
So if you can train your mind to love the boring, you can master anything.
I actually have a boring habit too.
Oh, what is it?
I write one line in my journal every morning.
Every morning? Even weekends?
Yep, it's my one boring thing.
And how does it help you?
It gives me focus. It reminds me who I want to be.
That's beautiful.
It's boring, but it keeps my life steady, like an anchor.
You know, we often wait for motivation.
But motivation doesn't stay.
It's like coffee. Strong, but it fades.
That's a good one.
But discipline? Discipline stays.
And discipline grows from boring habits.
So if you do one small, boring thing every day, it becomes your superpower.
Let's be honest, though. Some days you just don't want to do it.
Oh yes, so many days.
So what do you do then?
I tell myself, just do 5 minutes.
That's a trick.
Once I start, I usually keep going. The hardest part is beginning.
That's so true. Motivation comes after action, not before.
Yes, start small, stay steady.
You know, boring routines also build confidence
How so?
because they prove you can keep promises to yourself.
I like that.
Every small action says, I can trust myself.
Wow, that's true. It's not about the result. It's about identity.
Exactly. You become someone who doesn't give up easily.
You know what all boring things have in common?
What?
They grow slowly, then suddenly.
Like bamboo.
Exactly. Bamboo grows underground for years, then shoots up fast.
So, if you're doing something boring today, keep going.
Because one day, it won't be boring anymore. It'll be beautiful.
So, maybe we should stop calling them boring things.
Yeah, maybe call them power habits.
I like that.
Because boring things don't mean unimportant.
They're quiet builders.
They don't shout, but they last.
You know what's funny? Real success looks boring from the outside.
Yes, people only see the after part.
They don't see the early mornings, the quiet practice, the lonely work.
But that's where the real magic happens.
Success is just small, boring things repeated beautifully. So, Leo, let's make a challenge
A challenge. I like that.
for everyone watching. Pick one boring thing.
Just one.
Maybe it's reading one page or walking 10 minutes.
Or writing one English sentence every morning.
Do it for 30 days. No pressure, no perfection.
Just consistency.
So, what did we learn today?
That boring isn't bad. It's powerful.
Because boring things build strong habits.
And strong habits build strong lives.
So, don't wait for motivation. Build discipline instead.
And remember, little things every day make big changes over time.
So, friends, if your life feels boring right now,
Maybe you're quietly building something great.
keep going.
Don't rush.
Great things take time.
And boring things build greatness.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.